In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides offline, ensuring you can access and edit your presentations anytime, anywhere, without worrying about internet connectivity. This process involves enabling offline access in your Google Drive settings and making individual files available offline. Let's dive into the details to get you set up for seamless offline work. First, we need to enable offline access in Google Drive. Begin by opening Google Drive in your web browser. You'll find it at drive.google.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner for the settings icon. It's shaped like a gear. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section dedicated to offline access. Simply check the box next to the option that allows creating, opening, and editing your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files even when you're offline. This step is crucial for working on your presentations without an internet connection. If you happen to use Microsoft Edge, there's an additional step. You may need to install the Google Docs offline extension from the Chrome Web Store to ensure everything functions smoothly offline. Now let's focus on making specific Google Slides files available offline. You might have a collection of presentations, but perhaps you only need a few accessible without the internet. To achieve this, open the Google Slides file you want to work with offline. Once it's open, click on File in the top menu and select Make Available Offline. You'll notice a checkmark or tick appearing at the bottom left corner of the screen, confirming the file is now ready for offline access. There's also another way. While in Google Drive, you can simply right-click on the presentation file and choose Make Available Offline from the context menu. Both methods are easy. It just depends on whether you're already in the Slides file or managing from Google Drive. With your files prepped, you're all set to work offline. Whether you're using a laptop or the Google Slides app on a mobile device, you can open and edit the files you've made available offline. It's reassuring to know that any changes you make during offline mode will automatically sync back to Google Drive once your internet connection is restored. Additionally, if you ever need to download a Google Slides presentation for offline viewing or editing, you have the option to save it as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. However, keep in mind that these versions won't sync back to Google Drive. Lastly, remember that offline access is best suited for your recent files. It's worth periodically checking to ensure the right files are set for offline use. In business environments, especially those using Google Workspace, specific policies might need enabling to allow offline access. And that's it. Now you're equipped to keep your projects moving, even when you're offline. Enjoy the convenience of always having your presentations at your fingertips.